Welcome, 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 and thank you for joining me. As you can see, this is the package deal we spoke about in a prior video, the Rane 72 MKII, and not one, but two of the Denon DJ Prime LC6000s. That's right, I am like a kid in a candy store here. I'm so stoked to opening up this box on this Rane 72 MKII. The most advanced controller, mixer, whatever you want to call it, it's your prerogative. I am so stoked to having this setup as an addition to the setup that I have and adding these to the Prime unit that I have, my Prime 4. I'm like, I can't put it in words. I'm so psyched. So let's get to it. Let's open up the box. Woo-wee, look at that. Man, I'm just, oh. Look at this. As you can see, we got our standard cables. We got our cables here. They gave us two sets, nice, and our beautiful Rane booklets as usual. Rane always does a good job with their build quality and their instruction manual and a lot of stuff that they give for free. They always do the right thing. Look at all that. Some sound switch. You got some seamless sound. You got a month subscription to sound switch here. Pitch and time comes with it as well for your Serato. You know where these are going. Got some goodies right there. Look, goodies right there. You know where that's going. And, oh, control vinyl right there. You got the CD. This is it. This is beautiful. Rane, once again, gives you everything you need and then some. And as well as their superior build quality, I always love the products with Denon and Rane, and it's the same company anyway, but always good. Let's get to it. Psycholite, look at this. Oh man, let's get our cords out. We'll get them out now, we'll have to take them out after. Oh man, look at this. Woo-wee. This is beautiful. And check it out. And it comes with your Serato control vinyl right here. Check it out right here, DVS ready. Nice. 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 Always good, man. Rane always does right. Always does the right thing. Rane always. Let's pick this up. Let's get this out of the way. Sorry about that, as you can see. Let's get this out of the way. And here we go. The Rane 72 Battle Mixer. Oh man. Woo-wee. This is totally amazing. Oh, and here she comes. Here she comes. Right here. Oh, the beauty. The beauty of it. And of course, the superior build quality from Rane. You always expect that from Rane. I mean, listen to that. Metal, all the way down, through and through. Amazing. Amazing. Oh man, look at this thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Here we go. The Rane 72 MKII. Denon, not one, but two LC6000s, the package deal. Pick it up. Remember, support your local stores. iDJ Now. Thank you, the guys there. I appreciate you. Matt, I'll be leaving links for all you down below for all these. The wizard, Matt, will be telling you more about it. The Rane 72 MKII in its glory. Thank you for being here. You'll see it in the videos.